Spelling test, silent letters. She wrote a letter. The teacher will write on the blackboard. Molly put a wreath on her front door. The knight guarded the castle. He heard a knock on the door. The stop sign is large and red. Dan is feeling weak from not eating. Barry's knapsack is black. Harry put a gnome in his garden. There are flowers growing in the field. His wrists are small. The car wreck was not bad. Grandma taught her to knit. After swimming, Mary will wring out her bathing suit. Pat can wrap his gifts. The chef has a sharp knife. She tapped her knee to the music. She put cream on her heel. Rufus always gnaws on a bone. Mother got a new wristwatch.